Welcome to part 92 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems. My phone isn't working. My phone isn't working. Example. My phone isn't working this morning. The battery is dead. Example. The battery is dead. I need to charge it. It won't turn on. Example. I pressed the button, but it won't turn on. Can I borrow your phone? Example. Can I borrow your phone to make a call? I need to make a call. Example. I need to make a call to my family. Do you have a charger? Example. Do you have a charger I can use? I'll restart my phone. Example. I'll restart my phone and try again. It's working now. Example. It's working now. Thank you for your help. What a relief. Example. What a relief. I thought it was broken. Mini conversation. Anna, you look worried. What's wrong? Ben, my phone isn't working. It won't turn on. Anna, do you have a charger? Ben, no. Can I borrow your phone? I need to make a call. Anna, of course. Try restarting your phone later. Daily tip. When your phone isn't working, don't panic. Check the battery, try restarting the phone, or charge it first. If necessary, politely ask someone if you can borrow their phone to make an important call. Speaking challenge. Imagine your phone suddenly stops working while you're outside. Explain the problem, ask to borrow someone's phone, ask for a charger, say what you did to fix it, and describe how you felt when it started working again using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 93. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.